Hi, welcome to the DBM10252 Basic Mathematics course. Today, our main focus is to understand the first simple algebraic expressions.
Take a look at this fast food combo meal. If the total price is 10 ringgit and we know the fries are exactly 4 ringgit, we can find the cost of the burgers by subtraction. We remove the 4 ringgit fries from the total, leaving 6 ringgit for the 2 burgers, which means each one costs 3 ringgit. Algebra uses this exact logic, but replaces the physical item with a letter. This x acts as a temporary placeholder for the specific unknown value we are hunting. In Malay, we call this a pembelajaran, or a variable. You can visualize it as an empty box sitting in the middle of an equation, waiting for you to calculate the number that belongs inside. To fill that box, you must follow a specific sequence called BODMAS. This is the hierarchy of mathematical operations: kurungan for brackets, bahagi for division, darab for multiplication, tamba for addition, and tolak for subtraction. Beginners often try to solve equations by reading them linearly, like a sentence. However, because mathematical operations have a strict priority hierarchy, solving purely from left to right usually results in a calculation error. In this equation, the multiplication and division terms are bound together by the BODMAS rules. They are locked in place and must be fully resolved before you can move on to addition or subtraction. To isolate x, we use the pindah sebelah method to cross the equality bridge. The equal sign serves as a physical balance point, meaning both sides weigh exactly the same. To keep it balanced, we use inversion. When a number drags across the bridge, it changes to the opposite operation. Addition becomes subtraction. Forgetting to invert the operator during this move is the primary cause of failure in foundational algebra. If the side changes, the sign must change with it. Let's apply this to 2x minus 4 equals 10. The minus 4 crosses the bridge, inverting to plus 4, leaving 2x equals 14. Next, the 2 detaches, crosses the bridge, and inverts from multiplication to division. We execute the final division. X equals 7. Now it's your turn. 3y plus 6 equals 21. Try to solve for y before the timer runs out. The plus 6 becomes minus 6, leaving 15. Dividing that by 3 reveals the value. Y equals 5. Multi-step algebra is a repeatable sequence of small inversions. Once you know the pattern, you can solve almost any basic equation.